This is me and Wilma. What's her name?
What's your boyfriend?
Fred. They live... No, that's their name. Fred and Wilma. Let's go check out Petunia. Except first we gotta put her down.
Petunia.
Petunia. Yeah.
She wants her down.
Let me see if I go over here.
Poor is such a girl. Let's see, Maribel get attacked by a chicken.
Nice and slow. Let's go check out Petunia. Come on in.
Into her crib. Wait, Maribel.
Wait, there's a stick right there. Oh, snap. Maybe we can't see Petunia. Is there a stick in the way?
Yeah.
Oh.
And you don't want them to get in a fight.
Back. Yeah. Hey, the bunny. Oh, look at the bunny. I recorded it. You gotta be on it, girl.
There you go.
Look at the dog. Get him.
Close it and I'll pull out the stick.
No, I mean, you have to have it open a little. Because it won't get out. Do you want to go in first? Because I got the camera. Okay, well, I'll go in. Petunia! You gotta be used to this. So beautiful. So beautiful. The dog is on me. Jeez, it is like a dog. Just be confident.
Never mind.
Never mind.
I wasn't confident.
Let's see if I'm confident. Hey, she pecked at my mole.
Got it. She has green in her too.
She pecked my mole. Memories. Oh, I think something's going on over there. Don't look.
Gotta be on this.
No. Someone's already on me.
Only if I can zoom in.
Wow.
There's the one that was attacking me.
Her eyes are like small when I do that.
They do.